They met at Pennsylvania Station. My dad was on his way probably, I think, to Fort Dix in New Jersey. He was in the Army. My mother worked at Goldsmith Brothers in the area around City Hall, in the Battery area of the city of Manhattan. And she was on her way to Philadelphia to visit with a boyfriend. And they met on the train. And the story goes that he asked her for her number, but she wouldn't give him her telephone number. She said, "I'm Evelyn at Goldsmith Brothers. You can contact me there." And he did, and they were married shortly thereafter. So I always look at that as a very romantic story.